Arun was a young boy who lived in a small town. He loved to ride his old bicycle everywhere, to school, to the market, and even around the park in the evenings. It was his favorite thing in the world. But one morning, as he rushed out of his house, the chain broke. The bicycle stopped moving. "Oh no!" he shouted. He tried to fix it quickly, but his hands were shaking, and the more he rushed, the worse it got. The chain slipped again and again. "Why won't this stupid thing work?" he cried angrily. His grandfather, who was sitting nearby, watched quietly. After a moment, he said softly, "Arun, come here for a minute." Arun sighed and walked over. "Do you know why you can't fix it?" his grandfather asked. Arun looked down. "Because it's old?" His grandfather smiled. "No, because you are not patient. When you rush, your mind becomes noisy. You stop seeing the small details." Arun didn't really understand, but he nodded. His grandfather said, "Leave the bicycle for now. Have some breakfast, calm down, and then try again." After eating, Arun came back. This time, he looked carefully at the chain, the wheel, the small metal hooks. Slowly, step by step, he began to fix it. He didn't hurry. He just breathed, waited, and worked gently. After a few minutes, the chain fit perfectly back in place. The bicycle was ready again. Arun's face lit up. "I did it!" he shouted. His grandfather smiled proudly and said, "See? Patience gives you clear eyes. When you slow down, you find the answer." That small moment stayed in Arun's heart. Later, whenever he faced a problem, a tough math question, a broken toy, even an argument with a friend, he remembered his grandfather's words. One day, his school had a model building competition. Arun was excited, but halfway through, his glue bottle spilled, and part of his model broke. The other students laughed softly. He felt angry again, just like with the bicycle. But then, he took a deep breath and whispered, "Be patient, Arun." He slowly cleaned the table, fixed the model piece by piece, and finished just before the time ended. His model didn't look perfect, but it was strong, and the teacher gave him a special mention for his effort and calmness. When he came home, he ran to his grandfather and said, "You were right. Patience really works." His grandfather laughed softly. "Of course, my boy. Patience is not waiting and doing nothing. It's staying calm while doing your best." That evening, Arun rode his bicycle around the park again. The wind felt cool on his face, and he smiled to himself. He finally understood life moves smoother when you stop rushing. So, whenever things went wrong, he reminded himself, don't hurry, fix it slowly. Everything takes its own time. Moral: patience is not weakness, it's quiet strength that helps you find the right solution. If you like this story, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring English stories like this one. See you in the next story. Stay kind, stay peaceful, and keep learning.